On the black beach, I lay my heart down, stone in my hands, washed by the tide. It was heavy, cracked and silent, but the ocean knew my cry. Wind keeps saying, stay here with me, you don't run back into the dark. Even black sand knows a secret, how the light is born in scars. I breathe in salt, I breathe out pain. Every wave calls my name, so I sing. Even if my voice is shaking, I sing. Salt and water, hear the aching. In the dark there's a beginning, not an end, not a goodbye. The ocean holds me gently, teaching my heart how to rise. All my fears stand like columns, black basalt in silent prayer. They were strong, they would not bend till the water met them there. Every tear falls like rain now, waking moss and softer ground. I don't need to be a fortress, earth is teaching how to bow. So I sing, even if the night is near me, I sing. Light remembers how to reach me. In the dark there's a beginning, not an end, not a goodbye. The ocean holds me gently, teaching my heart how to rise. If my heart was ever broken, it was open, not destroyed. If it hurt, it means I loved, it means I had a voice. Look, the horizon's breathing slow, sky and water intertwine. I am learning wave by wave to be a home that's mine. So I sing like the beach after the storm. I sing from the dark a day is born. In the dark there's a beginning, not an end, not a goodbye. The ocean holds me gently, and I let myself arrive. On the black beach, I leave my fear like an empty shell in my hand. I walk back lighter, wrapped in light, healed by sea.